What's up, guys? Ever wonder what happens to your life insurance coverage if the unimaginable occurs? Well, buckle up because in today's video, we're going to dive into the controversial topic that's been making the waves in the insurance world, the suicide clause. Yep, you heard that right. Suicide and life insurance, a combination that ignites fiery debates and stirs up polarizing opinions. Get ready to challenge your assumptions as we explore the ins and outs of the clause in today's video. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of a suicide clause? It's a provision nestled in most life insurance policies that determines coverage in the event of suicide. Now, brace yourself because this is where things are going to get intense. Critics argue that suicide should never be excluded from coverage, as it represents a tragic outcome of mental health struggles. They passionately advocate for compassion, urging insurance companies to prioritize support over risk assessment. On the other hand, there are those who believe that suicide clauses is necessary to safeguard against potential fraudulent claims. They argue that without such measures, individuals might exploit the insurance coverage with the intention of causing self-harm, leaving their loved ones financially stranded. But let's dive deeper. The suicide clause comes with the exclusions and limitations. There's a specific time frame known as a contestability period. It usually spans the first 2 years of the policy during which suicide is excluded from the coverage. If a policyholder dies by suicide during this time, the insurer may deny the claim of the death benefit. However, once the contestability period has passed, suicide is typically covered, ensuring that the policyholder's beneficiaries receive full death benefit. But hold your horses, don't jump to conclusions just yet. It's crucial to note that the suicide clause doesn't mean mental health related deaths are completely disregarded. In most cases, life insurance policies provide coverage for death resulting from mental health crisis or accidental circumstances, differentiating them from intentional acts of self-harm. Now, beyond the controversial suicide clause, we must also acknowledge the paramount importance of suicide prevention and mental health support. Many insurers go the extra mile by providing dedicated mental health support services, helplines, comprehensive resources for individuals and families grappling with mental health issues. Together, we can raise awareness and lend a helping hand to prevent these tragedies. Now, before we wrap up, I want to be clear. If you or someone you know is struggling with thoughts of suicide, please reach out for help. You're never alone, and there are resources available that help provide support and assistance when you may need it the most. In the US, there's a national hotline that you can reach out to that can be reached at 1-800-273-TALK. This 24/7 hotline offers you free and confidential support for individuals in crisis or distress, as well as crisis prevention resources for you or your loved ones. Remember, reaching out is a sign of strength, and there are always compassionate people out there who genuinely care about you and support you through these tough and difficult times. What's up, guys? So if you found this video helpful, I invite you to share this with a friend or a loved one who you feel is going to gather value from knowing this information. Additionally, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those notifications to stay informed. Until next time.